What's happening? We are back at Traders NQ. NQ for headquarters. NQ NASDAQ headquarters. What's up,
Let's do
Kyle? We,
it.
we got Kyle with us today.
How you guys doing?
Living the dream, living the dream.
Living the dream.
We were going to just go over a quick weekly recap and then see what this 6 o'clock action does because it'll start moving around 6. See if we can catch a little bit. If not, that's okay. We'll wait till tomorrow. But yeah, just wanted to touch base with you guys. See what your goals are, see what you're planning on doing. What's this week look like for you?
Hopefully making money
I heard that. That's why we're
or
here.
learning or learning.
Both are good.
I like both. I like both.
Same. I'll go with both.
So you said you're green on the week, right?
Yes, green on the week, just a little bit, not too much. For
Awesome.
last week at least. I guess today's Sunday, so kind of starts the new trading week for me. So I just want to focus on, sticking to my process this week and seeing what kind of trades I can hold through. So
I gotcha. I'm green on the week. Well, I did toss up an account, but I am green on the week in the other two. Overall, about 3,000, and looking to capitalize on that. I noticed something on the 50K account. I wish I could pull it up, but I want to watch this open it. And we got 18 seconds. Matter of fact, it might not be the best timing right now, but
yeah, it's coming up quick.
yeah. I'm going to wait for a second, though. I'm not just going to jump straight in. But if you look at the 50K account, the profit goal is 3,000 and the trailing threat. Good
Oh,
God.
there's the quick breakout.
Good gosh.
Straight down. Oh my gosh, look at this
Oh,
thing.
look
Oh
how it's
my
set up,
lord.
though. I mean, the 5 minute, the 15 minute, everything said that. I would never trade that, but dang.
How many points did we just go in like 2 seconds?
Uh,
Uh,
43,
30 points?
45,
Whew.
I think.
Probably to the bottom, yeah.
We went from 02 to 57.
That was
Holy crap.
awfully quick.
That's 45 points all day.
All day.
Holy my G. I was planning on maybe jumping into a little something something here, but woof, I don't know about all that.
Not that quick.
All
That's
right.
like too quick to even think about.
I'm gonna let this settle out a little bit, but yeah. So the profit goal is 3,000. The trailing drawdown is 2,500. But in the 100K account, the profit goal is 6,000 with a trailing threshold drawdown of 3,000. It's almost like, why wouldn't you just do the 50K account, right?
Right.
And for I think significantly less money too.
Yeah.
All right, I probably should have bought that up right there and just went long for a second, but guys, don't
Yeah.
do what we do. Don't do what we do. I'm
It
serious.
depends.
Holy
Maybe not
jeez.
on a Sunday at 6 p.m., but
I think that'll recover though, like for real.
yeah, that was an awfully quick move down.
Yeah. So the 15 minutes showed a head and shoulders big time, and then we were sitting right there at a pivot, right at 6. Boom! Slapped. What did we say? 45 points or something to the downside.
Yeah, about 40 points or so.
Wow, that's crazy.
That's pretty
Why
that
did
was a
we
pretty
go
quick
there? Can
move.
you see anything on the 1 hour or anything that leads to that? Oh, the 200 is down there.
I didn't see. I do have the previous day low down there from Friday. If you look at that Friday candle at what time is this? At 3:02, 3 a.m., 3:02 a.m. You'll see we went straight down and touched the bottom of that Friday low candle.
3:02 a.m. on Friday.
Yep. That was the lowest we were the entire day of Friday.
I
Was at
gotcha.
3:02. We went straight down and touched that thing. So
You just did some sort of weird feedback loop in the mic. Did you hear that?
Oh, no, I can hear it.
It's gone now. That was weird. That
that's
was why I was saying I'd like to catch those little bitty long. That's 4 points right there.
that was a great play.
I did not catch it, but I do like them.
No, it was funny because we talked about it going down at the start of the stream,
Yeah.
but I mean it just smacked down. Like that was almost too quick to even do anything.
I can't do anything with that. That's totally guessing. I would love for it to just run on down here and touch that 200 on the 1 hour, or
Yeah.
and then I would like to see that bounce. All
We do
right.
got this resistance zone down here around 437 to
Whew.
448. So
Yeah. Well, like I said, I was gonna try to jump in on something, but I don't know about all that now.
too quick, too soon.
Yeah. Oh, real quick for anybody that's new and doesn't really understand kind of what's going on here is on the futures, everything kind of shuts off on Friday at what 4:30 Eastern time ish, 4 o'clock, 4:30, and then
Yeah, I think
we
it's 435.
yeah, and then we go on over into the weekend, and it comes back Sunday evening right now at 6 p.m. And so that was kind of like building pressure, I guess, and then all of a sudden it just popped.
Yeah.
That's sort of what just happened. And each candle, each one of these different colored time frames for me on this is 1 minute. Each chart shows something different. So these are 2 minutes a piece. These are 1 minute a piece. So in 1 minute, we drop 45 points. Yeah,
Would have
kind
been
of
nice to have a short on at that time, but
too risky for me. No way. No way. I was really hoping this would move some. Did your VWAP drop all the way straight down, or
it did. Yeah,
okay?
cut all the way down.
Okay, I wasn't sure if it was just mine. How that was acting. Back up there is 74. So yeah, I was green on the week after that one account. I've got a little ways to go to put in work. I'm kind of wanting to buy a few more while it's 80% off. Tomorrow,
Great deals on Apex right now. Great deals.
yeah. So tomorrow, that sale ends, and I don't know what's next for that. But there's a link in the description below, and up here is the coupon code. That link will actually fill that coupon code for you if you're interested in getting an Apex account and getting into trading. If not right now, then hang out, watch, listen, learn, and maybe check it out later.
Yeah, I mean, what's that deal? 80% off?
Yeah, it's like a 50K account. It's like $37.
And I think they're still doing the 1 day funding, or
Yeah, until tomorrow. Like until tomorrow, I guess night. There's a time frame on it. Let's see. Yeah. So there's 22 hours, 53 minutes. So basically 4 o'clock tomorrow. By close of market tomorrow, 4 p.m. tomorrow Eastern time, this deal is going away.
kind of crazy to think that you could literally buy a Apex account tomorrow and get funded tomorrow.
And take a payout very, very quickly.
Yeah.
That would be awesome. Buy an account for $37, run it up real quick, and take a payout on it of like say $2,000. Because I think the first payout for 50 grand is, I think it's 2,000.
2,000.
Yeah, I believe it is.
That's pretty.
This is
solid.
this is gonna recover. I almost think this is just gonna straight up recover. Even though that is a giant bar down. You know what I mean? Like to 84 or something.
We're still holding that previous day low, that 3 a.m. low that I was talking about from before. We held it on those candles, so
What's the price that you were talking about there?
466.
So 56, then we pop right back above it. I got you.
66, yeah, 466.
No, but I mean, we went to 56. That's what I was thinking. I was just thinking out loud.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you're talking about the candle went down, yeah,
Yeah.
popped back up, left a little tail bar there.
Ooh, that looks like it's ready to just roll back down and test the low again.
See, it's that the Sunday action isn't anywhere near the market action, but still
Oh
get
yeah.
moves sometimes.
I was hoping to see it create a nice little setup for us. We take an easy little, $250, $500 trade real quick and call it. Wait
Yeah,
for tomorrow. But
that would have been the perfect Sunday.
that it looks very much like it wants to break to the downside, which is why I almost think it's just gonna shift right back up and fill that in.
Yep.
You know.
See what happens here.
I'm excited for tomorrow. Although tomorrow morning, anybody that watches this evening for this kind of quick recap, we're not going to stay on too long. But tomorrow morning, I will not be here from 7 to 9 a.m. I have an appointment that I have to be at. So hopefully I'll be done with that around 8:30, 8:45, and then I'll be back and maybe can come hang out and see what the market's up to.
And we both will be going live together again next Monday on the 5th. Hopefully we can have a
Oh, yeah,
big
yeah,
big stream day that day.
yeah.
So talk about a lot of the things going on, some of the stuff we like to see, and some of the trades we like to take.
Yeah, for sure. Hopefully, we'll be able to take some of them. Sometimes when I'm on here talking, that's like I have a hard time thinking that trading and talking at the same time. But
I'll let you do the talking, and I'll try to make some money.
and you'll make
How's
some
that
money.
sound?
Make me some while you're at it, will you?
It's a good trade-off.
Yeah, I can't wait to get these things passed and funded and rolling forward.
Yes, sir.
So, what's your ideal accounts? Like, how many accounts would you like to have?
I think once I get moving, maybe I don't know, maybe 8 to 10
I
would
like this
be
too.
ideal.
8 to 10?
Yeah, some 50K accounts.
Yeah, I like it. I like it. What'd you say? 66 was the hold.
Yeah, I don't know. We're at it right now.
I'm gonna
66,
shoot
so,
for a short here. It looks like it wants to kind of recover some of that. There we go.
Yep. I would say
And
Order
we
filled.
might get a push down here to
I'm not hanging on
51.
too long. There's a quick $100. Quick $100. I'm not hanging on too long. Oh my gosh! Of course. Of course. What?
And it's
Oh,
don't know,
man.
that might have been a good choice. We'll see. This might pull back up here. We'll see.
I would have totally got filled right there. Totally, because I had a 2.5 point deal on. Oh.
Hey, $100 is better than nothing. So
Yeah, for sure. I'll take it. Look at this. Look at that line break right there. 2 green
Yep.
candles. Boom.
touch the VWAP,
Yeah.
then boom.
That's why I wouldn't want to hold this long. Hold this for very long.
Right.
And there she goes. If we could clear 450, oh, I'd love to see a bunch of this recover. It actually looks like it might. That's 2 tail bars. Straight to VWAP.
Yep. Straight up to VWAP.
Oh my gosh, that was a nice little deal there.
Again, we held that level 466.
Uh-oh. This thing's starting to move a little.
It's got a little bit to it.
Starting to. Even though, how do you really long into a giant red candle?
Yeah, that's a tough one. I mean, that candle says a lot.
Yeah.
A lot about the start of this these moves on Sunday.
I wish I had screen recorded that right there. Uh-oh. Look at this.
Looking
What's your
bullish.
thoughts right now? 50%
I
of the
mean,
candle?
yeah, those 2 tail bars look promising. Just pushing up above the VWAP now.
81.50?
Possible. Say maybe 50% of the move.
Yeah. There's 1 minute left on this candle. 81.25 maybe front run it. Ooh, but the problem is the 20 just keeps dropping, right? On the 1 minute. On the 2 minutes, way up there, but it just keeps dropping. So a quick flash target would be now like 79 and a quarter, but I don't know. I just can't get down with it too much.
Yeah, I'm not the biggest fan of it right now.
Yeah, happy to be green on the week. That was cool. So this account now has $1,505 in profit, and then my other one has let's see, 1,634. So not terrible.
Not bad at all. To start to funding.
Yeah. Like I said, break that 475 area.
We'll see. We're right here, just pushed above. Looks like we held VWAP on that last candle.
And just like that. Golly. Like a market whisperer. Look at that. That right there.
Wow.
Just so people watching would know, that pop right there is 74.50. It went to 83.50. So we'll just say 9 points. It's probably going to push a little bit further, but we'll just say 9 points. 9 times 5 contracts is 45 times 20. It's $900 in less than 2 minutes. $900 in less than 2 minutes. And that wasn't all of it because it's still going.
In the middle of 2 football games.
I know, right?
Just a quick trade.
And then look, there's 50% of the move. Do we recover it all or do we drop? So anyways, that's what we're looking for. Even when the market's open, like if the market was actually really open during like normal hours, 9:30 to 4, you're gonna see stuff like this, and you just got to understand what that looks like, and that takes a lot of time. And this could have sank. It could have sank another 100 points, but when you saw this next tail bar and it just drew right back up, and we got right above the VWAP right here, and we got over that 74.75 area, generally that means we're going to push. And I like to see about 50% of this move. So right now we're a little bit above 50%.
Yeah, just barely.
Let's see if we can plot it out. We'll even go from there. We're at 61.8% is the tip of that green. 61.8. Which means I assume we could pop a little bit more, but we should see a red candle.
And
What do you think?
Starting to. Man, I'll tell you, you had the 1 minute up too, right?
Hey, Daniel's in the house. It's the scalper and the sniper. Yeah, no kidding. I'm the itty bitty trader, and Kyle's the sniper that likes to take long range. That's right.
Try to.
I think we're going to see a red bar here. And there's that red bar I was talking about.
Coming back. I'll tell you, I really like this long play on the 1 minute. Seeing those 2 tail bars right there off the VWAP. It was
Oh,
it was
yeah,
pretty
yeah.
telling.
The 2 little ones, yeah.
Yeah, pretty telling.
That's what I say. We basically rotated the VWAP right there, and then we pushed. Now we're at the 618, and we're rattling between the 618 and the 50%, guys. You can see this right here. There's the 618, which is a big retracement in the charting world. So it's a 61.8% retracement of this move. That's what that means, and it's right here. Here's the 50%. That's also a big one, and we just rattled in between them. Outside of it being just a really weird big candle right at the ding ding ding, you can trade now. a lot of times when these big things happen like that out of nowhere, they just recover the whole thing, and that's the only reason I'm like, eh.
Yeah.
And see, on the 1 minute we got that red bar, so that showed us, and then we cleared. So a little bit of push out of there with a clearing bar, but again, 618 and half of that candle. How do you trade this normally? Kind of wait for it to settle out?
Who, me?
Yeah.
Not the other guy in the room?
Yeah, the other 6 Kyles that I'm talking to. Yeah.
Yeah, typically, if I see a good setup, I'll take it early on. Otherwise, sometimes I let it play out. But I do notice sometimes if it's too long past the open, sometimes they can just kind of peter out, not really make too many good moves. So just kind of depends. I mean, that was a great big move in the beginning. And I actually really did like the long off the VWAP here. So
Yeah, I almost took it, and then all of a sudden, I literally almost took it, and right before I was reaching for the mouse, it just went, and I was like, well, I can't, I can't now, you know.
yeah, it's too late at that point.
Oh yeah, I meant to
Gotta have
ask,
the
what do you think about
finders.
the new duds here, man? I got the camo net, I got the American flag going on, huh?
You got the setup. I like it.
Yeah, we got HQ, man, the trading headquarters.
That's right. The trading headquarters. No, it looks good. I like the touch you put on it there. I got this basic background of just things that are behind me.
Yeah, but I mean, it's all good.
Yeah.
If I was here to be pretty, I'd do a makeup ad.
There you go.
But I
I
just
can
thought,
see you doing that.
I am kind of pretty, right? Maybe do a razor ad and shave again. So we got the apex of the 20 and the 14 on the 1 minute there. Back here at like
Yeah.
80,
Yep, I see it.
75, 80 area. I'd almost want to see that come back, but I don't know.
We'll see what happens. Might work its way down a little bit. It would be nice to get a back test there.
All right. We've been on for 20. I'm kind of just going to let this do its thing because it doesn't seem to be moving a really great deal anymore. I think the down push is coming right here, but
Yeah, I'd be interested to see kind of how we play out tomorrow morning and kind of
yeah,
what happens tonight.
yeah.
So
I'm not
look
really an
at that.
open trader.
Can you pull up the 30 minute? Is that easy for you to do?
30 minute? Yeah, I mean, I can convert one. Yeah, here's the 30.
Yeah, I was just looking at this. The tail bar, this thing's kind of pulling. I got a
Ooh.
pivot right here too at 476.
Yeah, I see it.
So it'll be interesting to see if we push all the way up and turn this into a huge tail bar candle. But could say a lot about some of the moves that might happen overnight tonight in the London session.
Hang
Or
on, man. You
what
got
happened
some
tomorrow.
feedback. Hang on one sec. Hang on one sec. All right, try that again for a sec.
Yeah, I was just saying it could say a lot about what might happen tonight for the London session or in the morning, depending on how these candles shape up. So
Yeah. I like how, ooh, that's what I was looking for. Does that drop right back into here?
hmm
76 area for that apex
right back to the VWAP
or the 30-minute
and a push
candle.
below it.
30-minute candle looks like we're headed to knock on the door down below. But like I said, guys, we just wanted to give it like a end of week recap. Let you guys jump in, hang out, and just see what we're looking at here. We did not expect a giant candle to the downside immediately, so I took a quick scout, made $100, and yeah, about all I got. Stay safe. Apex 80% off till tomorrow. Close. Link in the description.
Have a good night.
Yeah. See you guys. See you, buddy. Have a good one.